Alright guys, I'm looking to answer here soon. Um, I would like to get in here. Target 9 a.m. low. Let's put it just above the 50% of this. Shit. Oh, I'm gonna just put one. Oh fuck, I forgot. Oh no. I like how we have those displacements. Okay. I need to. Alright, I'm currently trying to get this video. And I'm about to upload this as soon as I get it. This was the last time I 2 views, not bad. Okay. So tapped into a fair value, you know how that is. So we'd like to see a reaction and then a continuation back down lower. So in my new video that I'm about to upload, you had a winning trade. I caught this short right here. And notice towards the end when I told you guys, price could either fill this out, go higher, fill this out, go higher. Look what it did. Well, not fill it out, just tap into it is enough. This was my original TP, which was the 4-hour fair value. But when I went to the 1 hour and I saw these, I was like, okay, these are possible areas the price could reverse at, which is why I closed my trade at down here. You'll see that. You'll see what I mean when you look at the video if you do watch it. If anybody watches it. I don't know who watches my videos. This is where I would classify the shift right here. It'd be nice if he gives us a tap on the entry. Okay, it's dipping lower here. Okay, I would like to see a reaction to the upside and then go lower. Cause you know how it is. You know how it would go. You know how my trading goes. Price has been going higher and higher. We did have this previous candle here. We are inside an order block, and as you can see, this swing high is it's a little important. It's 12 p.m. You know what time 12 p.m. is. I mean, you know what 12 p.m. is. What time 12 p.m. is. I mean, obviously it could continue to go higher because we are fucking bullish as fuck. We're extremely bullish. So, but it's reasonable to look for a retracement right now. It's not like I'm going to target these fucking lows. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go after the 9 a.m. high or even this area here. Let me actually put a stop loss. I just been focusing on the FTMO, man. It's a little more than I want. Well, that makes sense. Why? We'll see how he goes. Hold on. Yeah, nah. This is still my entry. Unless I see something else. Specifically, if this candle forms, right, then we only get only up to here. and then it starts going lower, then I could trust this. Well, that the candle that will form and fill this out completely. I could trust it. I can get in right here. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. That was like the basis of my trade yesterday. But when look at how prices are reacting to that on the week opening gap. Also, look at how prices are reacting to that new week opening gap. Like that's crazy. You can't really say that shit random, bro. Like, come on now. This is literally in the middle. I like how this candle went on top of it. Would have been much better if it at least tapped into this area right here and then did that. Honestly, it could go down from here, just basing it off of this new week opening gap. But I don't just want to like trust, like just the opening gap, the new week opening gap by itself. But I'd say if there's a clean setup here, like really clean. But what I mean by that is if we take this out with the displacement, I'll try to get in. I'll lower my risk though, cause this isn't really the type of trade I take. Like just basing my shit off of. I mean, I could base my trade of the new week opening gap just like this one if I were to take this, but this is my original setup idea, and also because the fact that we have this here, we still have this open. So yeah, that's why. No, if that was closed, then yeah, I could trust it fully. See, lately, man, like around 10 o'clock, price has just been not wanting to do what it needs to do. Just like yesterday, like it was taking its time yesterday. I mean, you guys are gonna see that this new video I'm about to drop. I think it's done actually. Yeah, this edit is really, it's pretty bad, guys. Let me see. Um, what the 11:03? This was today. Okay. Okay. just drop that right now. You guys gonna see this. Hmm. Alright, let's see how he breaks that low. It's very reluctant though. I mean, I would rather it not take that low. See, there it is right there. That's what I mean right here. You know, on the FTMO, you see how this never got tapped? This was my like original entry, okay? But in the FTMO, I got tapped in this trade. So that was luck. And I had another trade right here. But I don't want to spoil anything. I mean, I can literally just go over this trade again. You know, that trade will be no point. I mean, that video is gonna be, there's gonna be no point to that video. Oh, whoa. Shit. Man, this is really aggressive. Okay, I'll get it right here. So that's just a little. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, I want to risk 150 divided by. Oh, what the hell? That's simple math. What's wrong with me? You know what? Nah. I don't like that. We did get displacement. You see that wick right there? And also, you gotta keep in mind, it's tapping into this whole thing here. Yeah, you could go after that. If I had clear buy side liquidity, I'll be looking for a buy right now. I'll take this as a shift, but I don't see it. I don't see a clear buy side. I think this is a bunch up here. Honestly, man, I could really see buys, guys. It's just so risky, man. You know what I'm saying? Like it's really risky right now to go for shorts. Because I do understand that we've been going lower and lower. You know? But overall direction is still buys. And price doesn't really need to go after the 9 a.m. low. I mean, it's not really like a written rule that, you know, if price goes after the 9 a.m. high first, it gotta go to the 9 a.m. low. That's like, it's, you know, it's not really like it has to do it, especially right now with these market conditions. And we also have these nice buy side up here. We also have this volume imbalance. So should I go for this buy side? Yeah, it's just below it too. Yeah, we going for buy side. We going for buy side, man. 2, 4, 5. Yeah, same shit. Yeah, same shit. My stop is below that below the order block, but you know, you guys already know. Realistically, it's just 50% up, below 50%. So, however it closes above or below the order block, that'll be the deciding factor. If I'm gonna close it. Get in right here. Okay, that's good. Okay. Reacting to this fair value. Hopefully we get a tap and then boom. And if we're being reasonable, this buy side is a lot closer than the sell side. And this buy side is a lot more, important than this. And also we already took out 9 a.m. high. As long as, with the 9 a.m. high and low thing, right? Depending on my direction, you know. So let's say I was like bullish. I was looking for bullish moves. Like I would be going for that 9 a.m. high. But after that, it doesn't really need to go after 9 a.m. low. Like it doesn't have to. See, like this one, it went for the high. Just continued higher, especially with the direction right now. Okay, got a tap right there. If I lose this trade, I'm gonna stop trading for the day because I don't really like the shit that I'm seeing right now. But let me actually put the stop loss just in case. And that's why I have to put in these stop losses. They're just there, just in case price just fucking completely collapse the fucking order block. It's like a safety measure type shit. This isn't my TP, but that's actually good enough. Honestly, I'd be down to get out from there. But as soon as I take out that high that I just put my TP at, it should be going after that buy side anytime. So, just to recap why I took this buy, because obviously no brainer, we've been going higher and higher for the whole week. And we get the 50% of this, and fair value, we're just tapping into it. And I don't really see price coming down here tapping this and then boom, go higher. Because if price is gonna go all the way down here, it's more than likely gonna fucking violate this shit. Because it's too clean at that point. Plus with this whole leg, this is just 50%, which is good. But I don't know, bro. It just looks way too clean to me. I just don't see it like that. Tapping into the new week opening gap again. Yeah, this could be enough to send price lower, which is what my original shit was. Get 30 seconds. I hate it when I can see both ways though. Like when I can see price going both ways though. Cause pretty much this whole week I could see price going both ways. Like right now I can see it going both. I mean you see both my setup I'm looking at. I can see this shit going both ways. Ooh, I don't like that. Take it off. Okay, let's just see what happens here. That's just if this works out, then shit. It is what it is. It's just part of my rule. I gotta follow it, especially for this fucking day. You definitely gotta follow the rule. How long is this video? 20 minutes. Yeah, there's a lot of playing around today, man. If we break that low, I know I said I wouldn't take a trade again. But if we break this low, I have a good idea. I mean, you guys could probably already see it forming. I want to see it displaced though. Like I want to see aggressive move. So if it breaks it, moves aggressively, we're gonna fill this out fully, and then probably gonna get a reaction off of it. But instead of targeting this, because at this point, if it breaks this, then it's definitely gonna go after this. But instead of targeting this, I will target this. I will target this candle, the top of this candle right here. It's covering its tracks. Yeah, this looks solid, guys. This just looks too solid to me to pass up. It's gonna be the same risk. As soon as we get a top on that, I'm getting in. Well, it's not like I'm gonna be fucking pressing a button. I'm gonna let the market execution do its thing. Since there really isn't a fair value here, how we get in that? I'd say right here. See how aggressive that is. As soon as I saw it, re-enter this new week opening gap again, and then go lower right here with displacement. Yeah, nah. We are going for sell side. It's reacting to this, which is good. Okay, let me put the stop loss because I'm a step up. Because I can just, then this wouldn't be a live trade then, though. Shit. So I could just, come back, see what happened, and then go over it on a video. Okay, I can already see ways where I could be wrong with this setup. Because if we, in a 5-minute and even a 15-minute, this could still be classified as a retracement because we can still just react to this and go higher. Like I said though, I don't see it just reacting to it and going higher. I can see it going, take it out and violating it. But yeah, my entry is just 50% of this. No, I never use a fib on fucking. How do you even use this thing? It's been a while actually. How do you use this? Oh, yeah, I don't know how fucking people can use this shit, bro. Yeah, no, I don't know what the fuck this is. Yeah, get that shit on my screen, man. But I'm gonna turn this off. This is already getting long and I'm getting tired, guys. I gotta go to the gym too, so yeah, I'm gonna just leave this. This is gonna be a set and forget type of trade, cause hold on. Uh, yeah, that's it. I'll see you on the next part of this video. All right, all right, guys. So I'll make this a quick video for a continuation for Friday's video. Okay. So this is gonna be part 2. So let's go back and replay. If I remember correctly, this is where I left off right here. So, sorry, yeah, y'all got to bear with me. I'm trying to remember everything because this is like what 3 days ago. So oh yeah, so I said I was expecting price to take this area out because this is also the 9 a.m. low. But we have order block right here. It's pretty apparent. OB, because I did catch this buy right here, and I will prove that. And so yeah, what made me buy this right is because we still had this buy set up here. This old ass fucking AM session all the way back in the 18th of October. So I had that buy set. I mean, you can already see in the part 1 that we've been had that target like marked up. But yeah, I was trying to sell too. I was trying to get to at least this area, this right here. So I wanted to see price tap this and then boom, go higher. But then when this candle closed, I noticed how price, rebalanced the high of this candle right here. I was like, okay. So that gave me more courage. Then I saw, we have this shift right here. I got in at the 2-minute though. We had that shift, and I based my trade off of this order block. This was a pretty aggressive trade, I ain't gonna lie. Because I had this was the trade right here. I had this, so that was the trade right there. I got it right there. Stops just below. And, since we already tapped into this area right here, we rebalanced that wick on the 1 hour. And I was like, okay, and it's already like pretty late in the day. I was like, okay, it should be ready to fly at this point, which is why I entered. And yeah, I mean, this whole area here is like the idea itself, but this was the better entry because also, as you can see, I just looking at this right now, like I just noticed this. This is where price made that shift from this leg, and it was pretty it's a little aggressive. It's like compared to like price action before. Like as you can see, it's just a bunch of sideways. This one, I mean, it took a good amount of bullish candles, but it was still more energetic than the rest of these. So yeah, I just noticed that. So yeah, that was a trade right there. Well, this is the third, right? Show y'all the third right here. That's a full pull. See, you already know we're going for full pulls. I'm practicing on the challenge. One thing I've been one thing I just noticed this too. Like one thing I've been having problems with is it's not like my bias, cause pretty much all of my like targets get hit, man. Like whenever whenever I make a video, I was like, okay, I'm targeting this and that. Price hits it, you know what I'm saying? But I take a good amount of trade beforehand before taking the right one. So I really gotta work on that. I gotta work on actually actually taking the right trade at the right time. The one that's going to win. Because I know my target's gonna get hit. I mean, you can go through my other videos. I'll outline a target. I get stopped out. I lose the trades, but eventually the target gets hit. You know what I'm saying? So that's that. Did I go over this? I can't remember, man. I be forgetting. But for today's video, which is today's the 6th, it should be uploaded by now. Let's see. Yeah. So for this video, I mean, you guys could already saw like I did get stopped out on that trade, but okay, hold on. I did catch another trade here. As you can see, this. I mean, we were still working off of this high. I mean, this trading range. So this was still a shift, but price was just chopping between. You know, it was just chopping around this area and then boom, went lower. So my initial you know, setup was right. Like I just said earlier, like my targets are always right, but it's just the trades in between. But yeah, I did take a trade here, as you can see. I'll show you. I took a short right here. I think it was in a market execution, but I also took a buy here because I saw this to get taken out too. Because we did take out this low and tap into an order block, which is why I was stopped out in my initial entry on the NT4. So that made sense because like I said, if I lose a trade and it doesn't make sense to me, then that's literally that's gonna take me off a little bit. But this made sense though, because we did take out a swing low liquidity and tapped into order block. So price just made a retracement, because we were still inside this trading range right here. So I really just got caught in the chop, man. I really just got caught in that chop earlier today. So that's that. But I did take this trade right here, and what made me take this trade was I liked how this candle tapped into the 50% of this new week opening gap, and then we had this retracement here and broke down pretty aggressive break. So it's a little bit of displacement right there, which was another reason why I took it. So I entered right here. I'm pretty sure it was a market execution. Right here. I forget where I put my stops at. I really forgot. I think it was up here. And I was just targeting this London low. So that's really about it. That's about it for today, man. So yeah, it was just really chopping around. And then eventually went to my target. As you can see also, we filled that out completely. And it might go for the buy side now. So yeah, for this week, I'm looking for this high and eventually this high get taken out. Depending on, what price does on the later days, then it'll determine what I'll be thinking price will do. I really can't say much at the moment because I don't really like the way this shit is looking right now. But today was okay, man. It was a little solid. I mean, everything made sense, so that's all that matters. But so yeah, this is gonna be part 2 of Friday's video, and yeah, that's about it, man. So I'll see y'all in the next video, more than likely tomorrow. All right, thank you guys for watching.